Imagine for a moment the position of the Elohim. The gods are faced with a decision. They know they exist forever, but there's a problem with the power that they have. It's too centered on individuals, and that therefore individual personalities can dominate so easily in the world of the gods and force it into corruption and to wars and just to fighting and not settled and not balanced and not understanding who they are, because they are not the gods. They know they are the children of a higher power. They are just very powerful, but they've been created. It's to share. Okay? So it's the sharing that they decided was worth the risk. They created a new breed, people, humans. And these people are adjustable, they're scalable relative to the energy of the planet itself. And so the gift that humanity has is that we are scalable. So we should be bigger, so our hearts are in the right place. The apex of the heart is centered over the solar plexus, and that the breathing pumps the heart. And it's a trick we have to learn. And once we've mastered it, then we've mastered time. And we are then the one God. So by splintering their individual, the gods agreeing to splinter their individual power in the creation of us, and then to leave this dimension, leave it to us, reality, the important layer here, where we exist. This reality is it. As far as we're concerned, in our universe, this is it. So we are going to control it, because we are the one. And the gift we were given, see, is that we had to be smart enough to work this out. The gods can't tell us. They can show us stories. And that's what's happening with Trump. Specifically with Trump. He's just exposing the madness of the world. He's saying, look, all I can do is show you how mad the world is. You must decide what to do with it, humanity. It's to act as one. Oh. It's ahead of us. Yeah. This moment in history, we leave all these behind. These bodies, these poor, corrupted bodies, we're leaving them behind. And we are going with nature. We just have to understand this is an entirely natural process. It's wonderful. It's a poppy seed. The seed pod and the flower of the poppy. That's the motion. Where would you rather be? If you're in the seed pod, you have potential. Explosive potential. You want to realize that potential. Otherwise it just eats you up. Inside, the seed's corrupting. It's ready to go bang to a flower. You have to trust that that's true. Well, that's nature. Nature does that with flowers. Why wouldn't it do it to us? Why are we so special? Because when we do this, we are in control of the flower. The flat earth is ours to rule over. Which is why we must go 100%, 100% of the population must agree that Christ is King and that the Reynolds number engineering is true. That's how you drive the planet, because it's from the human heart and it's powered by love. That's the answer. That the Elohim, the gift they gave us, was that we are pure love. That's all we are. Just have to remember that. If we don't remember it, we won't be. Someone else will use that love, take it from us, steal it. Only when we possess it 100% can we give it away. Negative Poisson's ratio. Yeah. Expands infinitely. Infinitely. Okay, are you ready? Children, 100% of the population must agree that the words that I'm speaking are the words that Christ wants me to say. And if you let me lead the planet for a little while, then I'll retire. I'll set it up, ready for this to go so sweetly. We'll all remember. This is Göbekli Tepe. This is the rise from the Younger Dryas. That moment, that's what happened. People could fly. When they did these dances and came together, they flew around Göbekli Tepe. That's the atmosphere we're about to go into. Good, isn't it? So don't be freaked out. Be ready, be cool. These are love waves. It's what you're created from. It's what Leonardo da Vinci was telling you. That's the force of love. Follow the Rebel King.